In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to partially close a trade. Partial closing lets you lock in some profit or limit risk without exiting the entire position, so you keep part of the trade open while realizing gains or freeing up margin. First, go to the orders area of your trading platform. This is where your active trades are listed. Find the trade you want to adjust and click the pencil icon next to it. That pencil icon opens the edit view for the selected order, which is exactly where you can make changes without closing everything at once. Once the edit view is open, look for the partial close tab and select it. Trading platforms often show multiple tabs like modify, close, or partial close. Make sure you're on partial close so you don't accidentally close the full position. You should now see fields specific to reducing only a portion of your trade. Next, set the volume you want to close. In this walkthrough, you're closing half of the total position. If your total position is one whole lot, enter 0.50. If your total is 0.80, enter 0.40. For unit-based positions, simply divide the total by 2. Some platforms require specific increments, so if you can't enter an exact half due to minimum step sizes, choose the closest allowed value to half. Double-check the number you've entered, and confirm that the remaining volume displayed matches what you intend to keep open. This is a great moment to glance at any projected profit, loss, or fees that might be shown for the portion you're closing so you know what to expect. When the volume looks correct, click Close Order. The platform will process the partial close, realize profit or loss on the portion you've specified, and leave the remainder of the trade running. You should see your open position size reduced accordingly, with updated metrics like unrealized PL, margin usage, and exposure reflecting the new, smaller trade. If your platform shows confirmations or position history, you'll typically see a record for the closed portion and a separate entry for the remaining position. Key points to remember. Use the pencil icon in the orders area to open the edit screen. Select the partial close tab so you only reduce part of the trade. Input exactly half of the total volume, respecting any minimum increments, and finalize by clicking Close Order. Taking a moment to verify the numbers before you close helps prevent mistakes and keeps your trading plan on track.